Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the downloads while you're playing games in Steam. So you may have noticed by default, when you're starting up a game, your downloads are going to stop, or it's going to seem like they're not even downloading at all. We can actually enable this in settings because it's turned off by default. We go to Steam, go to settings, go to downloads. And we might want to change our region. So if this region right here isn't close to you, try finding a different one. So Chicago is like 120 miles away from me, so that's close enough. And we want to go to where it says allow downloads during gameplay. If this is enabled, Steam may initiate or continue downloading updates while you have a game or other Steam application running. Alright, so we can check mark it right here, and this will download things in the background for you. And then we can look at the other options under here. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.